Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Q card. Describe something that was broken in your home and then you repaired. You should say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, how you felt about it. Let's start. In the ultra modern era, people have interest to buy new things rather than the repaired old thing. But sometime when the people want to repair their favorite things, here I could like to talk about that time when I was repaired it. It was a time of the COVID-19 and my oven was broken down. And it was the day when my birthday. And my mother decided to make a cake. Firstly, I collect all the ingredients which require it and also mix very well. When just started the oven, at that time I came to know about oven was not run properly. Then I checked on the another plug. After that I analyzed that about wire was cut down and I went to the market for the repair my oven. Due to COVID-19 time, all the markets were closed, so that I was a puzzle. After that, I went to electrical man home and I said about all the things. He reached to my home and started their process. Within few minutes, my microwave repaired immediately and I made a cake. I was very happy at that time. All in all, it was a time when I was repaired my microwave. Thanks for watching my channel.